Unveiling Idioms. Get wind of, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, get wind of. Understanding idioms like this one is key to mastering conversational English, as they add color and expressiveness to your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of get wind of. The phrase, get wind of, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To get wind of something means to learn about it, especially if the information was supposed to be a secret or private. It's often used when someone finds out information through rumors, indirect sources, or accidental discovery. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, get wind of, likely originates from the sense of smell, getting a whiff, or a scent of something. Historically, it could be related to hunting, where dogs would get wind of their prey by sensing its smell. This translates metaphorically to humans detecting or discovering information. To understand how to use get wind of in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. As soon as the employees got wind of the company's financial troubles, rumors started to spread. 2. The parents got wind of the surprise party their kids were planning for them. 3. He got wind of the change in management before it was officially announced. In these examples, the phrase is used to indicate gaining knowledge of something not openly disclosed. When using this idiom, be careful not to take it literally. It's not about wind or weather, but about acquiring information. Also, it's usually used in situations where the information is somewhat secretive or not meant to be widely known. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, get wind of, confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this can add a fun and natural flair to your English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and review any part of the lesson. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.